Hello everybody, my name is Arash and I'll be your instructor in this tutorial. Do you want to learn how to make props for games? So, welcome to Next's AAA Prop Making for Games, the Beginners course. In this course, we're going to create a radio and a headphone. And we're going to create that using Blender as the main DCC and Zbrush for high poly sculpting and Substance Painter for texturing. And although we're trying to make that as beginner friendly as possible, but I really encourage you to have some prior knowledge of the softwares mentioned. And we're going to use some Blender add-ons, but we make sure that we use none of the paid add-ons. All of the add-ons that we use are going to be the free ones to make the Blender experience a lot better and to develop a workflow and pipeline for your next projects. So the workflow that we're going to go is the non-destructive workflow, and it means that when we design something, we're going to rely on modifier stack to make sure that everywhere that we're going to change something, we're going to do that so fast in no time. And accompanying with the boolean workflow, we make sure that we can create every complex design possible. So we start by taking a look at the references and some ideas. We take those ideas and try to create something based on them using the mid-poly workflow. Then that mid-poly is going to be transferred into ZBrush for high-poly sculpting. And then after that, we create the low-poly from the same thing, from the mid-poly. And then unwrap it in Blender. And then the final part, the baking and the texturing process, are going to be done in Substance Painter. And lastly, to make sure that everything is going to be fine, we test the prop inside Unreal Engine. So if you're interested enough in learning some tested workflows for creating AAA props for games, join me in this one. I'm Arash from Nextwood. Looking forward to have a great learning experience together. Okay? See you in the course.